By the name of Allah, in the name of Allah, who's the most compassionate and the most merciful. Dear student, I hope that you are safe and healthy and have a good life with your family. And this is Rajasthan University Computer Science Faculty, Infotech English, Unit 6. And the title of this unit is Capturing Your Favorite Image, page 31. This is Ali Muhammad Hikmat, English Language Lecturer, 2020 or 1399. Okay, what will we study in this unit? Capturing your favorite unit, Unit 6. Topics that we will cover in this unit are scanner, digital camera, video camera. And what will you learn? To understand spoken and writing text about scanners and digital camera, to distinguish between fact and opinion in advert, to describe a digital camera, to use the superlative form of adjective correctly, to use suffixes correctly, language. In language we have grammar, the superlative form of adjective, and in vocabulary we will study these kind of vocabulary: scan, flatbed scanner, slide scanner, handheld scanner, OCR, digitized image, digital camera, camcorder, video camera, camera phone, megapixel, suffixes to form adjective and noun, persuasive language in adverts. Okay, we have, as you know, we have in English 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. In listening section, we have completing notes based on the conversation. In speaking, describing feature of the digital camera. In reading, finding specific information in text, distinguishing facts and opinion in advert. Writing, completing a press release, option material, advert from a specialist computer magazine. Okay. Unit 6, capture your favorite image. The eyes of your computer. If someone asks you what are the eyes of your computer, please write a list for that. Okay, in pair, discuss how many ways there are of capturing an image on the computer. If you have WhatsApp or Viber or something like Facebook, you can chat with your friend and discuss this question. Read the text and see how many things from your list are mentioned. Read the text again and answer these questions. At first, read the text. After that, answer this question: which device is used to input text and paragraph image from a printing page? How does a scanner send information to the computer? How do digital camera store paragraph? What feature allows mobile phone user to take picture? Which devices would you use to take digital video? What kind of software is used to manipulate video clips on the computer? These are the questions, and here are the possible answer for the first question. Scanner, digital camera, webcam, and computer, and camera phone. Camera phone, a barcode reader. These are the eye of computer. And scanner, these are the answer for the 6 questions. Please read it by yourself. Okay, the type of your the eyes of your computer. Here we have a reading section. Please listen very carefully and read it after me. And if you have any difficulties with words, please notice the words and go to the dictionary and find the meaning of the words. What does a scanner do? A scanner sees image and convert the printed text or picture into electronic codes that can be understood by the computer. With a flatbed color scanner, the paper with the image is placed face down on a glass screen, as with a photocopier. Beneath the glass or the screen, as with a photocopier, beneath the glass or the lighting and measurement devices. Once the scanner is activated, it reads the image as a series of dots and then generate the digitized image that is sent to the computer and stored as a file. The scanner operates by using three operating lamps, each of which has different color filter: red, green, and blue. The resulting three separate images are combined into one of the appropriate software. What does a digital camera do? A digital camera takes photos electronically and convert them into digital data, binary codes made up of first and ones and zeros. It doesn't use the film found in a traditional camera. Instead, it has a special light sensitive silicon chip. Okay, and photographs are stored in the camera memory card before being sent into the computer. Some cameras can also be connected to a printer or a TV set to make view image easier. This is usually the case with mobile phone with a built-in camera. Mobile phone has a built-in camera. Okay, what does a camcorder do? A camcorder or digital video camera records moving picture and converts them into digital data that can be stored and edited by a computer with special video editing software. Digital video camera are used by home users to create their own movie or by professional in computer art and video conferencing. They are also used to send live video images via the internet. In this case, they are called web cameras or webcam. Okay, and here is the listening section. When you read this text, please answer the above questions. The above questions are all in this reading section in these two slides. Okay, here we have a listening. You can click on this sign of loudspeaker and then click here, and you may listen to the voice, and after that please fill these blanks. Okay, let's go ahead. Facts and opinion. What is the difference between facts and opinion? Complete this definition. Are real objective information. What is real and objective information? That is fact. Usually include emotion, words, and subjective sentence. What is that? Opinion. Okay. Here we have two passages. In these two passages, what you do is to underline the facts and circle the opinion. Read the text and find the facts and opinion in these two texts. Please remember that circle the opinion and underline the facts. If you can't find, here is the answer key. Okay, let's go ahead and see what do we have in grammar section. In grammar section, we will talk about superlative. Help box superlative. We form superlative of one syllable and most two-syllable adjectives by adding est. Before we study the adjective, adjective modifies a noun and pronoun, and we have comparison adjective. In comparison adjective, we have three kind of comparison. What are they? Positive degree of adjective, comparative degree of adjective, and superlative degree of adjective. Superlative degree of adjective is the highest degree of the adjective, and by adding est at the end of an adjective we make it superlative. And here are the rules. Please see: cheap, the cheapest; clever, the cleverest; they and est. Some two-syllable adjective, including those ending in ing or ed or ful and els, less from the superlative with the most less. See, advanced, the most advanced. Okay. Beautiful, the most beautiful. Interesting, the most interesting. Educated, the most educated. Or we can say advanced, the least advanced. Educated, the least educated. Like this. Adjective with three or more syllables also take the most and less. For example, fantastic. Fantastic, the most fantastic. Powerful, the most powerful. But two-syllable adjective ending in y, the example noisy. For example, noisy, take est and the y change to I. See here, noisy, the noisiest. Note the irregular forms. Here are we have the irregular: good change to the best, but the worst, little, the least, with amount, not size. Okay. You can do these exercises and read it by yourself, apart from catch, slogan, and other persuasive technique and advertising. After you use the superlative form, mostly advertising and the persuasive technique of writing, they use superlative form of adjective. We have chosen the most advanced technology. See here, it persuades persuade us to think and to buy something. Okay, here is the answer key for this exercise, for exercise B. And here this an open task. You can do it with yourself. Read who or what you think is. For example, the most difficult computer game you have ever played. What kind of game you have ever played? It was as you think it was difficult. Just answer it with yourself. Okay. Another section is vocabulary section. In this vocabulary section we will study suffixes. As you know, affixation divided into two parts. One is prefixes and the other is suffixes. In suffixes are those small parts of the word that comes at the end of the word and change the grammatical section of a word. Okay, suffixes change the class of the root word. For example, by adding the suffix el, the noun digital is changed into the adjective digital. Digit change to digital. Suffixes can help you tell if a word is a noun, an adjective, or a verb. it means parts of the speech of a word change. Common adjectival suffixes are y, able, eibe. These are the parts of the common suffixes. It comes at the end of a word. Common noun suffixes are er, or, shan. These are the nes, it, and, plugi, ing, and these. We can, as you know, director, cleaver, portion, education, empowerment, development, happiness, and like this. You can see the dictionary as well. When using a suffix, always check in your dictionary to see if you need to change any other letter. Scan, scanner. Okay, language work suffixes. Do it with yourself here. Color, colorful, and colored. Okay, and let's go to the next slide. What is that? Here, complete the sentence with the word in bracket and one of these suffixes. Here we have suffixes, and here we have the answer key. Please do it. Manufacturer, manufacturer. Okay, and here also another exercises here. Please read it. Here are the words. Put them in these blanks, and this is the answer key for you. And finally we have homework. In this homework, please describe a camera and answer to these questions in a paragraph. Thanks for your attention. Don't forget to send me your homework, and your questions and comments are appreciated. Once again, thanks for your attention.